Alright, you guys, so I put a pry bar on the bolt. From here, I'm gonna put another bar on top, and I'm gonna push up just to break that bolt loose. That's all I'm trying to do, break that bolt loose. So it'll be way easier for me to loosen that up when it comes time to actually, you know, taking out the motor mount. But I'm gonna break that loose. I'm also gonna break this one loose. Well, that right there. That, oh shit, that's up. That bolt loose, and then the bolt right there. And then of course the bolts in the bottom, just break them loose. That's all I'm gonna try to do. And from there, that's when I'll put the jack and then push forward from there. All right, so in order to get this, I just went to the store, got me an 18 mil. Basically, you're gonna be turning this shit forever. So this is the easiest part, even though this looks hard, even though it is hard, but this is the easy part. And the reason being because, so you're able to get this out. How the fuck do you put this fucking bolt back in with the shitty amount of clearance that you fucking have? Trust me, when you start working on this car, you're gonna know exactly what I'm talking about. These motor mounts are fucking useless. Like the just the thinking that went behind this, I don't know, but I'm removing that slowly but surely, and then we'll push forward from there and see what happens. Oh, by the way, I already know how to take this out, so basically you just go on top and, you know, push it up and it'll be good. Alright, so I got the part out. It was a fucking bitch, but you're hardly gonna get any room to get the part out. No, I'm sorry. You're hardly gonna get any room to get this bolt out because this bolt hits a fucking line. Fuck, goddamn, dude. Fucking American cars. You can't make this shit up. But I got the fucking part out. Now the only issue is how am I gonna get the new bolt in? I'll get any and every single bolt in, but what's the issue? The issue is gonna be this fucking bolt. So we're gonna see, we're gonna check it out. Figure that shit out. So the other one here, I wrote this nice little thing, gesture for the car. May this new part give you life, because this car has been neglected. So fuck, man. I'm gonna put all the nuts and bolts in. 1, 2, 3, put them in. If I put them in, I'm just saying literally put them in. I'm not saying torque them down. I'm gonna put them in and then see how it goes from there. All right, so when pulling out the old part, you're gonna have to kind of move these lines, and as you move the lines, you just fucking yank the part out, and that's about it. So let's see. Holy shit. But yeah, so it's done. So this is where that bolt is gonna end up hitting on the back. So I don't know, man. Fuck it, it is what it is. If for whatever reason that bolt is gonna give me problems putting it in, I'm just gonna cut it in half or something, and then I'll install it and hope for the best I don't die, right? But it is what it is. We're gonna push forward and put the new one back in. All right. Shit. All right, take two. Fuck. You have to put the bracket in first. Bam, the bracket's in. Also, unscrew every single bolt in the bracket, so it'll be much easier for you. Second, you have to put in the bolt inside of the motor mount and slide it in, tilt it sideways, and you're gonna have to start it in through hand, by hand. That shit right there is gonna be in your way, but you gotta somehow jimmy rig it with your hand. And of course you have to fucking lay on the engine And that is how you fucking put this fucking bolt in. It's a fucking hassle. No jacks or anything are fucking necessary to put this shit in. You could just leave the engine hanging by itself. So now that I've gotten that bolt in by hand, of course I still have a little bit or a long way to go. I'm gonna go to the bottom, put the bottom bolt in, and proceed on from there, and then put this fucking top bolt in and then push forward from there. But it is a fucking mission to get this shit done. Don't get me wrong. All right, you guys, be right back. But give me the. All right. Fuck. All right, so the bracket's already in. As you're sliding down the motor mount, this not this bolt, but of course, but the bolt that goes in it is already gonna have to be in, and somehow you're gonna have to jimmy rig it, and then bam, you're gonna fucking have it, and you're gonna have to twist it. So I suggest once you put it in, you're gonna be able to put it in a little bit with through here like this, and then once it stops, put the other bolt in. It'll give you kind of a little leverage because it's gonna take off the slack from this bolt and put it on this one, and then you're gonna be able to thread it in from here, I believe. Yes, from here, just like that, and it's gonna go in. So everything's gonna be done by hand. Yeah, sorry I can't explain it that much, but I wish everybody the best. You do not have to take off the exhaust like I did. I started taking off everything. I was getting frustrated. I don't know how to fucking do it, but take off the exhaust only for you to have more room for you to work. You know, it's easier for me to fucking stick my hand in there. For sure, you are gonna have to take off these two coolant lines or coolant hoses, and the way to put them back, oh shit, almost say shit. All right, the way to put back the coolant lines is gonna be, let me see, oh, goddamn, let me lay down, give me a second. Then we're gonna pull these coolant lines, coolant line 1, coolant line 1 and 2. This one, let me see, that one goes to the opposite, and then this one, the closest one, goes right here. So this one here, and then the other one the opposite. That's the best way to remember it. All right, give me a second. I'm gonna go to the bottom, put the bottom bolt in, and then put the fucking then put this bolt in. Fuck, I'll be right back. All right, so I got everything back in. In order for you to put this screw in, this middle one right here, I know there's no light. You're gonna have to jack it up the slightest little bit, and then, you know, put it in. But it's like the slightest little bit that you need to what do you call it? Slice little bit you need to jack up the engine, not the engine, but you know, close to the transmission, because that's where the rear end's at, or that's where this mounts at. And from there, you're gonna snug everything up with your hands and push forward from there. Holy shit. But it is possible, it is doable. There you go, this one's, it stopped. Okay, now I need to do this one, stopped. Now I need to go do the bottom one, right underneath. There you go, you can see it, whatever. But it is possible. I'm gonna get everything up and running, go to AutoZone and see if they have a fucking gasket for this bitch. But holy shit, it is doable. Never again. Fuck American cars. Oh, there you go. You can see everything. Fuck American cars. Never again. Fuck this shit. But it is doable. All right, you guys. I'm going to wish everybody the best. fix everything in reverse order, and you're good to go. Torque specs, I don't know. I'm just going to tighten that shit down as tight as I can. Of course, you're going to know when to stop. Don't fucking strip the threads. All right, you guys. Have a good one. God bless.